We will be replacing the stock halogen low beam headlights in this 2018 Toyota Highlander with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. There are no tools required for this installation. We will begin under the hood at the back of the headlight assembly. Turn the dust cover counterclockwise to remove it. Grab the base of the bulb and turn it counterclockwise to unlock it and unclip the wire harness. Insert the LED bulb into the housing, being sure that the LED chips will be facing out to the left and the right, and turn it clockwise to lock it. Plug the LED wire connector directly into the car and feed any wires into the housing. Finally, replace the dust cover and turn it clockwise to lock it. You can see the clear difference between the stock halogen bulbs and the new LEDs from Ayla Lighting.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.